Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by measuring the window opening precisely so the mesh fits tight. Make sure to subtract 1/4 of an inch overall for clearance. Next, select the right mesh material, fiberglass for flexibility or metal for durability, and check thickness and UV rating. Prepare tools now: tape measure, scissors, spline and spline roller, plus a utility knife. Once done, cut the mesh about 2 inches larger than the frame so you can tension it evenly during installation. You lay the mesh over the frame and align it with a consistent 2-inch overlap. This gives you material to tension and ensures full coverage. Then insert the spline starting at the center of one side, using the roller to seat it into the groove. Press firmly. As you move, stretch the mesh gently and work opposite sides to maintain even tension rather than tugging at corners. Once fully seated, trim the excess mesh flush to the spline so edges are neat and secure. After trimming the excess, press the spline fully into the groove and inspect the panel for any wrinkles or gaps. A properly seated spline prevents insects and drafts. If you see sagging greater than about 5% or loose sections, either replace the spline or retension the entire mesh. Start again from one side and work opposite to restore evenness. If corners lift, secure them with a dab of exterior silicone or a small screw. Finally, test the window operation and make small adjustments if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.